Today, we're making bacon fried rice. This is a recipe you won't want to miss. It has bacon in it, so what could possibly go wrong? This is a great meal for lunch and dinner, so let's get cooking. Chop 2 bunches of green onions. Then dice 4 links of Portuguese sausage. We'll fry up our bacon until it's nice and crispy. Once all the bacon is cooked, we can then cut it up into bacon bits. In a wok, we'll add our bacon and sausage mix and let it brown. We can then add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dashi. Mix this all together. And then add about 3 cups of day-old leftover rice. We're going to add only half of our rice right now and then half of it later. Add some green onions. And about half a cup of frozen peas. We can then add about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and keep mixing by adding sprinkles of dashi for flavor. We can put this aside and repeat for the remaining ingredients. We can then portion everything out. This recipe makes about 8 servings and is absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comments below what foods you want to see next.